morning students. Now we will discuss the other part of skeletal system. Other part of skeletal system means skeletal system consists of bones, muscles and cartilages. Bones of the skeletal system, that is the skull, rib cage, backbone and pelvic bone with bones of our hand. Human being will be discussed with you in our previous videos. That is, beta body movement consists of skeletal system. Skeletal system consists of bone, cartilage and muscles. Bones in your syllabus are these that we will discuss. Now cartilage. You already know about the cartilage. Cartilage are the soft tissue. It is not as much as hard as bone. As the bone is harder, better this bone is harder. But this is the cartilage. Ear pinna, it is the cartilage. When you touch it, you feel some hard surface. But this hard thing is not much harder or not as much hard as the bones. It is soft than bone. Better it can be bone. This bone can't be bent at this point because bone is hard. This cartilage is single. It do not have any joint. But we can bend these cartilages. You see two cartilages. One is the ear pinna. This ear pinna have cartilage and another cartilage present in our nose. Two cartilages present in our nose. One on left side, one on right side. You will feel by pressing here. There is some hard structure but not hard as the bone. The soft tissue which is very soft than bone is known as cartilage. You also know cartilage are also present at the joints. This is the joint. It have two cartilage, one at the end of upper arm bone and one at the upper end of lower arm bone, forearm bone. Same for knees. Beta our vertebral column, that is the backbone. It consists of 33 bones. These bones are ring-like, one above the other. Between each ring, between two rings, there is cartilage. Number of cartilage present in a skeletal system which help in movement. It is soft tissue, just like bone, but it is not as hard as bone. It is not hard as bone. Cartilage can be bent. Cartilage can be bent. But bones are not bent. Cartilages can be bent but not the bones. Bones can be bent only at the point of joint. This is about the cartilage. Now muscles. Muscular system also help in the movement. If suppose we have bones just like this, one above the other. Cartilages are there. There is synovial fluid also, but there is no muscles. The movement is also not smooth. These muscles help in the movement at the point of joint. Beta, you feel the muscles. These muscles are known as biceps muscles. These are known as triceps muscles. You will say na biceps ban gaye. These are biceps muscles. These are triceps muscle. When you start to bend your forearm on the upper arm with at the point of elbow, when you start to bend, these bicep muscles will contract. These biceps muscle will contract. These are contract and these are relaxed. They will expand. When you turn back your hand on original position, these are biceps muscle will relax, triceps muscle will contract. That means during the movement, muscles bend or contract. That means two type of muscles are used. One type of muscle will contract, other will expand. At the time of movement, a pair of muscle is used. At the time of movement, pair of muscles are used. One is contract, other is expand. Beta muscles, these tissue, they help in smooth movement. Of bones at joint. During movement, beta, during movement, one type of muscle will contract, and other will expand. Other will expand. That means a pair of muscle is used. A pair of muscle is used. Pair of muscles are used at the time of movement. At the time of movement. Better, this pair of muscles always present on the bone. The tissue which join muscle with bone. The tissue which join muscle with bone is known as tendon. Beta, we have two type of tissues in case of muscles, tendons and ligaments. These two types of tissues. In case of muscles, that is tendon. Tendons are the tissues which join muscle with bone. We join muscle with bone, that are known as tendons. And the tissue which join muscle with muscle, we join muscle with muscle, muscles with muscles are known as ligaments. Beta, we have two type of tissue in case of muscles, tendons and ligaments. When we run, we will hit elsewhere and we go to doctor said ligaments are break. That means muscles separate from muscles. Sometime we will hit by any object hardly and doctor said there are some breakage in tendons. That means the muscles leave the bone. At that time when muscles leave the bone, doctor wrap that place for few days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days and give us medicine which again combine the muscle with bones. That means tendons are reformed. And when ligaments are break, doctor said that you will wrap with bandage only, nothing there, and give some muscle relaxant that join muscle with muscle. But when tendons are break, at that time doctor wrap that place with some hard material like plaster for few days and give medicines. Tendons are reformed and we are okay in 3, 4, 5, 6 days. That depends upon the injury. Beta, when you run, pair of muscle I saw you with my hand. You also feel by bicep or tricep. When you run, your leg muscles will contract and relax. How will you feel these muscles are contract, these muscles are relax? How will you feel? What type of muscles will relax and what type of muscles will contract? The muscle that become stiff, slightly harder, that is the contract, and muscle remain softer, that is the expand. During any type of movement, beta, I will speak in front of you. At that time these muscles will move. You will feel also when you speak with some other person, you will learn by loud sound. Then you feel these type of muscles will move. One type of muscles will contract and other type of muscles will relax. Beta, these muscles will contract, these will relax. At any moment, if I want to move my finger, I want to move my finger like this. At the time of movement, beta, these muscles will contract and these muscles will relax. When this finger come back to original position, these are contract and these are relaxed or expand. You will understand the concept. Each and every organism present on Earth's atmosphere, it have movement. There are two type of movement. One movement, change the position. Other movement, without changing the position. When organism change the position from one place to another, it is locomotion. Organism remains stable, but their body parts will move. Just like tree, just like me, I am standing on the same position, but my hands, my legs, my eyes, these are moving. This is simple movement. This either locomotion or movement. It use three systems, organ system of our body. First one, skeletal system. Second one, muscular system. And third one, nervous system. Skeletal system consists of two types of bone. Hard bone, soft bone. Hard bones are known as bones. Softer tissue that just behave like bones but they are not bones. These are cartilages. Clear? You feel cartilage on ear pinna and in the nose here. Then muscles, beta, you feel all these muscles. These are the muscles. These are the muscles. at the thigh, at the leg, at your stomach, all on whole of the body that consists of framework that is known as skeletal system. Skeletal system is covered by muscles, and these muscles is covered by outer dark skin that is known as skin. These muscles help us for frequent and smooth movement. During movement, a pair of muscles, that means two muscles works together. One is contract, other is expand. One is contract, other is expand. The muscle which contract first, at reverse condition, it is relaxed. The muscle which relax first, at reverse condition, it will contract. I will explain by using bicep tricep muscle, by using example of this finger. Better, there are some fold due to contraction. When it will bend, these folds are open, that means they are expand. Folds are there, that means they contract. You will understand the concept. Thank you.